let's talk about circular breathing. Breakdown. In order to circular breathe, you need to push air out through your cheek muscles while keeping enough of a force to sustain the read or the tone or the sound, and then breathing in. It's a tricky thing. It's very tricky to kind of understand. So you push out air with your cheek muscles. So if you're trying this at home, just try to fill your lungs and your cheeks with air and try pushing them out. And notice that right now, I'm not even using a mouthpiece or a straw or anything else that everybody tells you to do. I am just focusing on my cheeks. Once you kind of have that down and you're able to do that consciously and carefully, then you're able to try to do this. Breathe. It might sound weird what I'm saying, or you probably think to yourself, I know how to breathe. That's perfectly fine. But the asterisk, the caveat is that you would be playing a wind instrument while breathing in through your nose, which if you are familiar with how to play an instrument, you're technically not supposed to breathe in through your nose. So now you're changing it and breathing through your nose. Now here comes the challenging part. Once you have cheek air push down and nose breathing down, you're going to try to put both of those together. So cheeks, cheeks. So cheeks, then nose. It's a little challenging to time those things at once because your brain tells you, I'm blowing out, I'm breathing in. Those two things can't happen. They cannot happen simultaneously just because of the way that we're all set up. So again, you're pushing out air with your cheeks, not blowing air out. You're pushing air out, air that you collected in your cheeks, and breathing in. So again, and that is essentially the fundamentals of circular breathing.